This is a house. Me and Gundi made it. We made it the realistic look from the windows, like open so that it looks like there's a person living. And we had two windows, one over here and one over here. We made this for like design so that it looks good. And there's a parking over here, two cars parking.
One is mine and one is yours.
And one is Gundi's and one is mine. And there's a like this safe locker if you open.
Down is mine. Up is Jimmy.
Then
You can explain me.
Then you see a katana jingle. Gundi made this. And top of this, there's a secret here. We made it like only show over here, but it's very hard. So you open like this, and then you get it down like this, and then you keep the small things which you needed, and then you can close it back. And it might be hard for people to open it. And
Okay, next.